Hello everybody, I am Fadali and this video is about the limit clause in the MySQL. Okay, in the last video we have learned about how to delete the elements from our table, and in this video we're gonna learn about how to limit the elements or how to limit the rows of our table. Okay, the limit clause is used to specify the number of records to return. Alright, so let me just show you here. Alright, so I just want to pick country table for this, so select city. Alright, it will show you all the city. Okay, now I just want to limit out my record. So for that, what you need to do, you have to select, I want to go with name and population, and the third thing is country code. Alright, city, from city, and limit, I want to limit out the 10 cities only. Now you can see that it will only show you the number of rows that we have put in the limit. Alright, we can give it to 100. Okay, if you want. Okay, we can give it 100, we can even give it a 5 or even 1. Alright, so I just want to go with the 10. Okay, so we are good with the 10. Alright, now I want to use the where clause with the limit. So in a where clause I will be adding some conditions. The first condition I want to add here is country code must be NLD. Alright, it will only give you the cities whose country code is NLD, and it will only show us the 10 rows maximum, because we have put the limit here. Now I just want to show you the cities on the basis of their population, in ascending order. So we're gonna do this here, order by population. Alright, let's just run this code. Now you can see that we have the cities of the NLD, okay, in the ascending order. We can also do with the descending order. Okay, we can also do this thing, and we only have the 10 rows because it puts you the limit on your rows. Okay, so this is how you can limit the number of rows which you want to have in return. And this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.